Nestled in a small lab just across from the Fresno State farm, the holiday spirit is already brewing.
So we hand fill, we hand jar, we hand mix everything. We can label everything.
It's here at the food processing lab where instructional technician Julia Gentry and her students are whipping up the latest farm products.
I know that what we make is definitely not what's out in the industry typically. You can't find us at Save Mart. We're not going to be your average Smucker's jar of jam. So what we're making is a lot higher of a quality of a product.
Cranberry sauce is on the menu today, an annual favorite cooked and jarred just in time for Thanksgiving.
So this will make like 500 jars. So we typically, like our jams only make about 300 jars, so we typically make those 2 to 3 times a year. The cranberry sauce, we probably make it once every 2 years.
With hundreds of jars needed to be filled, Gentry employs students like Sammy and Jesse to help her along the way.
They can come to me with ideas, they can research it, they come to me with a recipe, and then they try it out.
This learning by doing approach brings classroom lessons to a whole new level.
I feel pretty good because it's like, oh, I was part of making that product right there. And you know, my family, they're not really food people, so I'm like, you know, I get to brag, I made those in the market, you know.
That confidence grows as the students work alongside Julia, who just a few years back was in their shoes, or in this case, boots.
So I studied in the culinology program. I started in 2009 and I graduated in 2014.
It's a special connection she shares with the students.
It's nice to be able to give back the same things that were given to me when I was in this program.
Once the product is jarred and ready to go, it just goes up the block here to the Gibson Farm Market, where a new group of students and staff get to sell it to the entire community.
The students love to see their hard work in the hands of customers.
It's a really great life cycle of these products, and it's great for the students to be able to see everything happen from start to finish.
Everyone in the food lab feels like they are part of a tight-knit family, gaining pride bigger than the little jars that roll out of this room. Razmik Cañas, Fresno State Focus.